All right, so I'm back with another update of this 2005 kx125. As you can see, we got the motor in, the carb is in, frame is painted with some touch-up spray paint from Lowe's. I will show you that in a second. But yeah, this thing is looking really nice. I started zinc plating, a whole bunch of things that kind of held me up here. You can see this rear axle is zinc plated. So that's kind of what I was waiting on before I started putting this thing back together. Here's the spray paint that I got from Lowe's, and it's almost a perfect match. I only spray painted the bottom, I guess, cradle of the frame. This whole outside spar that you see, this is all, I just gave it a quick sanding, sprayed it with this, and you can try to find out where the seam is. The top half of this is not spray painted. It's at all. And look, right about here is where it's blended into the original paint. Really close match. So if you do have one of these Cowies and you want to just touch up your frame, get the spray paint. And you can see right here, the lower half, it's a little shinier looking. I'll bet you if I clean the top, you wouldn't even be able to tell. Here's that yellow. Here's the yellow zinc I did on the subframe bolts. I mean, I could have just replaced it, but I was just testing. This is one of the first few things I did. This is yellow zinc. I'm pretty sure these standard are not yellow, but, I just wanted to test with the yellow zinc. I was getting myself carried away. But yeah, looking good. I even zinc plated the front sprocket. I want to get a new one. Let's see. Swing arm all vapor blasted. Rear wheel is vapor blasted while it was assembled. Let's see. The front fork guards are on. I actually vapor blasted those. They were very yellow and had dark white spots. And yeah, things looking really good. Just got to put like the pipe on. This is a slow work in progress. I'm not in a rush. Now I'm starting to take some more parts off, wondering what to do. Probably replace these foot pegs. I've been zinc plating little bits and pieces here and there. You can see like this rear axle. The plating that I put on here, I put it on real thick and heavy, so it looks like it's almost kind of chromed, and it just looks really nice. It's way better quality than I think what comes standard on these axles. These axles are very dull looking, and the plating wears off right away, in my opinion. So this should be better than stock. And what do I have? I just have to clean this up. I didn't touch this yet, so I'll probably take this apart, blast it, pull the graphics off. Oh, those are the old ones. Where we have the new, I got the new plastics here. It looks like something's dripping off of this bike onto it. I'll have to figure out, what is that? All right, that's not good. All right, so yeah, I got the brand new plastics here. Put the OEM decals on, and I'll get to that. So still need to vapor blast the front wheel, the front fork lugs, I guess. Let's see. A couple little small things. I'm thinking I should replace the chain. The sprockets are in decent shape. But rear caliper is all blasted, cleaned, put back on. The axle tension bolts. And then, yeah, here's that front sprocket. I mean, it looks, I think I put a little bit of gold to it. But it was like real rusty and black and rust color. So I just was like, you know what? I'll zinc plate it, just make it look a little nicer. Didn't need to be replaced. Still got a couple new parts in here. The cleaned up silencer. The rads are cleaned up. I just had to put the new hoses on. And actually, these are the first parts I zinc plated. These are my first test pieces. One of them I did a slight yellow zinc, and one of them I did a standard zinc. And these looked like they were ready for the garbage, completely rusty. So that was pretty cool. Those are the exhaust springs. What else do we have? Yeah, the chain's looking a little rough. I should probably just replace it because it's going to stick out like a sore thumb on the rest of the bike, just being dirty. But yeah, that's it. So I'll keep you updated with another video soon. I'll get some more work done. Thanks.